questions from triangles. Okay, earlier also we have discussed few case study questions. Now, today one case study question from last year's sample paper given by the board. Okay, go through this question. Okay, it is from the last year's sample paper. It is based on, okay, similar question we discussed earlier. You have to answer. Okay, similar question we have discussed now. Scale factor and similarity scale factor. The scale drawing of an object. What is meant by scale? Okay, scale, why we use this word whenever we draw the picture? Okay, we used to see this word scale. That means in that ratio only it is enlarged, or in that scale factor only it is diminished. Here, a scale drawing of an object is the same shape as the object, but a different size. The scale of a drawing is a comparison of the length used on a drawing to the length it represents. The scale is written as a ratio. Scale factor means it is a ratio. And how will you calculate the ratio? Length in image by corresponding length of the objects. Length in image by corresponding length of the object. So note down this formula. What is the formula to find the scale factor? Scale factor is length in image by corresponding length in object. Okay, now I'll share the question. So look at here, okay, this type we discussed earlier. Okay, rotation. Look at here, when we rotate an object, actually, initially it is like this, we rotate it, only the position gets changed. When you rotate the object, similarity will not change. It will not be affecting the similarity. Similarly, next one is reflection. It is otherwise called flipping. It is called flipping. So if you flip it also, the similarity will not change. And the next one is translation or sliding. Okay, if it is in the bottom, if you move it up or down, okay, in that case also, when you translate it, in that case also, it will be similar. So hence, two shapes are similar when one can become the other after either you can resize it, flip it, slide or turn. Resize means when you increase or decrease. Flipping means it is a reflection or slide or turn. Now, based on this, answer this question. Okay, based on this, to answer the first one. Calculate it and give the answer. Try this one and give the answer. What will be the answer? The model of a boat is made on a scale of 1:4. The model is 120 centimeter long. The full size of the boat has a width of 60 centimeter. It has a width of 60 centimeter. What is the width of the scale model? What is the answer? What is the formula we have learned for scale factor? Scale factor is given by 1 by 4 is equal to. We want to find the scale width of the scale model, isn't it? What is the formula we learned? What is the ratio? What is the formula we have learned, children? What is scale factor, Rosabi? Scale factor is
Length in image by corresponding length in object.
length in the image by, okay, that is image, length in image by the object, length in the object. The length in the object. So here we want to compare the width. So here it is given the full size of the boat has a width 60 centimeter. So 1 by 4 is equal to, full size means it is the object. Object size is 60 centimeter. So what will be the length in the image? We don't know. We have to calculate. So simplify and tell me what is the answer, Rifa? What is the answer here? Yes, Rifa. Vishnupriya, what is the answer, Vishnupriya?
15.
15 centimeter. Okay, it is 15. You cross multiply, you get the answer. And simplifying, you'll get the answer as 15. Now look at the next set of questions. So what will affect the similarity of the polygons? What will, okay, among these 4 conditions, which one will be affecting the similarity? Is it when they are option 4? Yes, correct. It is option 4. When they are not the mirror image of the other. When they are not the mirror image of the other, the similarity may get changed. Now, the next one. See, if 2 similar triangles have the scale factor A is to B, which statement regarding the 2 triangles is true? Which statement is true? If 2 similar triangles are in a scale factor A is to B, which is true? The perimeter. Yes?
Second option.
Second option is correct. Okay. The altitudes have the ratio A is to B. If 2 triangles are similar with the ratio A is to B means altitudes will be in the ratio A is to B. Perimeters will be in the ratio A is to B. Okay. Everything will be in the ratio A is to B. Median, if you take median, everything will be in the ratio A is to B. So here they have the altitudes have the ratio A is to B. Now the next one. Yes, answer the next one. The shadow of a stick 5 meter long is 2 meter. At the same time, the shadow of a tree 12.5 meter high is dash. Nas Parveen, what is the answer for the fourth one, Nas?
And 5 meter.
5 meters.
Option D.
Option D, 5
D.
meter. 5 meters. Yes, correct. Option is D, 5 meters. Children, others, is it okay, children? Are you able to do this? Because these two are similar. If you want, we can name this as A, B, C, P, Q, R. So we get AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So AB is the shadow of a stick, 5 meter. So stick's length is 5 meter, shadow is 2. So 5 by 2. At the same time, the shadow of a tree is 12 meter high. Is 12.5 means you have to find what's the height. Yes, Arjun, is it 3 meters?
Yes.
When you cancel this, what you will get when you cross multiply this? 12.5 into 2 means, is it 25 is equal to 5h? Therefore, what is h? 25 by 5, which is equivalent to 5. Okay, so answer will be 5 only. Is it okay, Arjun? I think some calculation mistake is there. It is 12.5. Okay, Arjun? Hein Steve, what is your answer, Hein Steve? 5 meters. Now look at the next one, children. Look at the next one. Below, you see students' mathematical model of a farmhouse roof with the measurements. The attic floor ABCD is a model. In the model is a square. So ABCD is a square. The beams that support the roof of the edges of a rectangular prism. The beams are rectangular prism. E is the middle of AT and F is the middle of BT. G is the middle of CT. H is the middle of DT. Write down this one, children. Otherwise, when I turn the page, you'll not be able to get this one. So note down all those things. ABCD is a square. The rectangular beams that support the roof are rectangular prism. And it is okay, the beams are, we are taking it in the form of prism, rectangular prism. Then E is the midpoint of AT. F is the midpoint of BT. G, middle of CT. H is the middle of DT. All the edges of the pyramid in the model have length of 12 centimeter. All the edges in the model has 12 centimeter. Okay. So now look at the next one. What is given in the next question? This is the figure. Look at the question. What is the length of EF? What is the length of EF? You want to find the length of EF. Answer this one, children. What will be the length of EF? Yes. What is the length of EF? where EF is the horizontal edges of the block. What will be the answer?
Ratio is given.
No ratio, nothing is given. But instead of that, look at the previous paragraph. Okay. The previous paragraph, this is what given. Read it. It is given ABCD is a square. And the beams which support it are rectangular prism. E is the midpoint of AT. F is the midpoint of BT. G is the midpoint of CT. And H is the middle of DT. All the edges of the pyramid in the model have length of 12 meters. How to do this? Is it okay? Ratio is not given. So which concept you have to use here?
BPT.
Yes, very good. We have to use BPT. Okay. You have to use BPT. So based on BPT, what will be the answer? Yes, children, all of you turn on your video. What is the length of EF? Yes. If you want to use BPT, we need one triangle, isn't it? Which triangle you will consider? Can you?
EAB.
Very good. It is TAB. This is the TAB. It is the triangle TAB. And it is given. What is given about E and F? E and F are the midpoints. And the length of AB is given 12 centimeter. So what will be the length of EF?
6 meter.
6 meters. Yes, it is meters. Okay, it is 6 meters. It is correct. Okay, because E and F are midpoints. So if we join the midpoints, it will be half of the third side. The line joining the, okay, these are divided in the same ratio, 1:1. 1:1 because it is given as midpoint. So we can use BPT and we can say just the ratio is 1:1. If it is divided in the same ratio, then the other side also should get the same. It is half of it. Is it okay? Is it clear? So this questions and all we have discussed. And one more question we want to discuss in triangles. Okay, not on the 30th question, first part. Okay, first subdivision. 30th question. The perimeters of two similar triangles. Write the question. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 25 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 9 centimeter, then find the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 25 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 9 centimeter, find the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle. How will you do this? Yes, and Mary, can you give the answer? Adi Amin? Two triangles. Okay, then the perimeters are in the ratio. Suppose we name the triangle. The perimeters are, the first triangle, it is given as 25 centimeter. For the second triangle, it is given as 15 centimeter. One side it is 9. You are asked to find the other side. What is the relation we know about the similar triangles?
Their ratios are same.
Yes, not same. What is the term we will use here? Proportional. Okay, the ratios will be always proportional. So here, what will be the answer?
5.4.
Yes, very good. Correct. Answer is correct. What about the others, children? Hadidi? Is it clear, Hadidi? How to do this? Perimeter of the first. Yes, how will you do this? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the perimeters will be same as ratio of the corresponding sides, isn't it? Second side we don't know. You take it as x. And simplify. Prajot, what is the answer, Prajot? What is the third? What is the length of this? Yes, Rosabi. Got the answer, Rosabi?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
5.4 centimeters.
Yes, correct. It is 5.4 centimeter. Is it clear, Badra?
Yes, ma'am.
If two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, and it will be proportional to the perimeters. The medians are also proportional. Altitudes are also proportional. Okay, and this is a standard question. We have learned this question, isn't it? Proof. For the exam, if it is asked for MCQ, no need to write the proof. It is in an equilateral triangle ABC. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is 1/3 BC. Then 9AD square is equal to dash. 9AD square will be equivalent to dash. Is it okay, Hadidi? Rosabi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now try the next one. Okay, children, look at the 10th question. Read the 10th one and solve it. 10th one. Read the question and try to solve this. 10th one. In triangle ABC. figure is not given. Okay, for the board exam, you will be given like this. Some statement will be given. You have to draw the figure. Read the question, draw the figure, and check which theorem you have to use. Then find the answer. Meghna, read the question, Meghna. Meghna.
10th one.
Yes, 10th one.
In the triangle ABC, D and E are points on the side AB and AC respectively, such that DE is parallel to BC. If AE equal to 2 centimeter, AD is equal to 3 centimeter, and BD is equal to 4.5 centimeter.
Find CE. Okay. Yes. How many of you have solved this one? Is it okay? Hadidi, are you able to solve this? Hadidi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you explain? Yes, Hadidi. Will you solve this, Hadidi? Yes, Anne Mary, give the answer, Anne Mary. Anne Mary, how you will solve this?
Question.
Hmm. Anne Mary. Okay. So we draw the figure. Then Adil. Adil Mohammed.
AD by D is equal to
Hmm.
AC by CE.
AD by
BD.
AD by BD is equal to, okay. AE by
AE
C. Yes, correct.
CE.
Okay, correct. So, okay, you draw the figure. Once you draw the figure, you will understand here. Okay, because it is given DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, we can use BPT and mark all the measurements. AD is given as 2, AD is 3, BD is 4.5. Find CE. So we can mark the measurements. 3 by 4.5 is equal to 2 by dash X. Calculate and give the answer.
Then we can cross multiply, no?
Yes, you can cross multiply. You can cross multiply and you can find the answer.
Ma'am, if it's 3, x is equal to 3.
X is equal to 3. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer is 3. Correct. Savio, what the answer, Savio? Are you able to solve? Savio?
Yes, ma'am.
X is 3. Okay. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Now, try the next one, children. Try the next one. Next one from another question paper. This is the next, okay, another case study question. Okay. Look at this question. Okay. Look, read the question 61. Question number 61. A crow leaves a tree and flies due north with a speed of 600 kilometer per hour. Okay. A crow leaves a tree and flies due north at a speed of 600 kilometer per hour. At the same time, another crow leaves the same place and flies due west with a speed of 800 kilometer per hour. After 3.5 hours, both the crow reaches a point P and Q respectively. So look at the figure. Okay, this is the figure given. Okay, 2 crows are there. The first one flies. Okay, note down this one, children. The first one flies with a speed of 600 kilometer per hour. And the second one flies west with a speed of 800 kilometer per hour. Okay, they are flying with a speed of 600 and 800. After 3.5 hours, both the crows reaches the point P and Q respectively. Okay, so first crow is flying only this speed, you note it down. Okay, the first one is flying with the speed of 600 kilometer per hour. Second one is with the speed of 800 kilometer per hour. Now answer the questions. Okay. First one. What is the distance traveled by the crow towards north after 3.5 hours? What is the answer? So towards north, the crow which is flying towards north, it is flying with the speed of 600 kilometer per hour. And the crow which is flying towards west, it is flying with the speed of 800 kilometer per hour. Yes. So what is the distance traveled? What will be the answer? Yes, Nirubama. Give the answer, Nirubama. Yes, children. Nirubama. Arjun, give the answer, Arjun. After 3.5 hours, what is the distance traveled?
Speed is equal to distance into time.
Distance is equal to speed into time. Yes. Yes, correct. So speed is 600. And what is the time given here? 3.5 hours. So it is 7/2. So it will be the answer. You simplify this. Answer is 2000.
2100.
Yes, correct. It is 2100 kilometer. It is 2100 kilometer. Rifa, answer the second one, Rifa. Rifa, distance traveled by the crow towards west after 3.5 hours. After 3.5 hours. Rifa, Where is Rifa? Can you hear me, Rifa?
Yes.
Okay, calculate and give the answer, Rifa.
Ma'am, which question?
Sixth one, Roman letter 2.
Ma'am, this is not loading properly.
Adidev, give the answer, Adidev. Adidev, can you hear me, Adidev? Yes. 2,800 Fia. Okay. 2,800 kilometers. Answer is B. Now, what about the next part? Look at the next one, third one. In the given figure, what will be angle POQ? What is angle POQ? It is
20.
90 degree. Yes. Then the distance between the crow after 3.5 hours is. Okay, actually the figure is coming like this, isn't it? It is a right angle triangle. One side we have 2,100 kilometer, other side we have 2,800. So what will be the distance? So use Pythagoras theorem and calculate it. Using Pythagoras theorem, what is the distance? Calculate this and then find the area. What will be the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle means here it is a right angle triangle. For what is the formula for area of right angle triangle? It is a half BH. So half into base, you can take it as 2,800 into 2,100. Simplify and find the answer. Give the answer for the fourth one. What is the answer? 21 square. So it is 441, isn't it? And 28 square means
784.
So when you add this, 724.
84.
So then be adding 4 zeros, isn't it? Then take the root and find out what is the answer. So when you add this, it is 5, 5, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 2, 5, followed by 4 zeros, isn't it? So it will be square root of 1, 2, 2, 5, 4 zeros. Then if you take the root, we'll get the answer. So answer is
Option B.
option B. Yes. The next one, find the area. Area is half into base into height. You cancel this one, you get 1400 into 2100. Multiply this and calculate the answer. So answer is A. Okay, it is in A. The answer is A. Okay, children. This we end the session now. Okay, tomorrow we'll be writing the